We strongly believe that good process management results in outstanding results. Established in 1999, we PT Bandung Indah Gemilang works in the textile industry, manufacturing bed cover, bed sheets, carpet, and blanket. Located in Bandung, West Java, we manufacture for 3 locally renowned brands: My Love, California, and Hawaii. Over the past decades, we have garnered the trust and reputation for our superior standard of quality, allowing us to receive the top national brand award for bedsheets consecutively since 2014. We are also honored to have received the Industry 4.0 awarded by the government for our outstanding achievement in pioneering a digitalized warehouse system in Indonesia. As a market leader in this industry, quality has always been and will always be our top priority. We will continue to commit to delivering quality across all our products.